Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important topics in accounting, the branches of accounting. Many people think accounting is just about adding and subtracting numbers, but the truth is, it's a lot more interesting than that. There are several branches, and each one helps businesses in a unique way. So, stay with me till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll understand accounting in a completely new way. Accounting is like the language of business, and just like any language, it has different parts that work together. We call these the branches of accounting. Each branch focuses on something different, like recording, cost control, decision-making, or checking accuracy. Let's go through them one by one, in a simple and easy way. First, we have financial accounting. This is the oldest and most common type of accounting. It records all the financial activities of a business, every sale, every purchase, every payment. At the end of the year, it prepares reports like the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. For example, imagine you run a small coffee shop. Financial accounting helps you track how much money you earned from selling coffee and how much you spent on milk, sugar, and rent. At the end, you'll know exactly whether you made a profit or not. So financial accounting is all about recording and reporting. It tells you what happened with your money in the past. Financial accounting tells you what happened. Cost accounting focuses on how it happened. It helps you calculate the cost of making a product or providing a service. For example, if you own a clothing brand, cost accounting will help you figure out exactly how much it costs to produce one t-shirt, including fabric, stitching, packaging, and delivery. When you know the real cost, you can set a better selling price and control unnecessary expenses. Let's talk about management accounting. This one is all about the future. It helps business managers make smart decisions by using data from both financial and cost accounting. For example, a manager might ask, should we open a new store next year? Or, which product is giving us the highest profit? Management accounting helps answer these kinds of questions. It's like the brain of the business, analyzing data and helping to plan for success. So far, we've learned 3 branches. Financial accounting records what happened, cost accounting tells how it happened, and management accounting helps decide what to do next. Next up, we have tax accounting. This branch deals with everything related to taxes, whether it's calculating tax, filing tax returns, or making sure the business follows tax laws. Every country has its own tax system, like the IRS in the US or HMRC in the UK. Tax accountants make sure everything is done legally and efficiently. For example, they help find out how much tax a business has to pay, and also help plan ways to reduce tax legally. So yes, tax accountants are like the lifesavers of a business when it comes to government rules. Actually correct, right? That's where auditing comes in. Auditing means checking and verifying financial statements to ensure everything is accurate, fair, and free from mistakes or fraud. For example, big companies hire external auditors to check their accounts once a year. It builds trust among investors, employees, and even customers. Forensic accounting. Yes, this one sounds like a detective job, and in a way, it is. Forensic accountants investigate frauds, scams, and other financial crimes. They collect evidence and often work with legal teams to solve financial mysteries. So if you enjoy solving puzzles and love numbers, Forensic accounting could be your thing. So now we've covered 6 major branches: financial, cost, management, tax, auditing, and forensic accounting, each playing a different but important role in business success. To sum it up, accounting is not just about numbers. It's about understanding how a business works, makes money, controls cost, and stays honest. Each branch of accounting has its own importance, and together, they keep the business running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, thumbs up, share repeat button, and subscribe bell for more simple and clear explanations on accounting, economics, and business. See you in the next one.